In video 4, I showed you how to create this title slide here for the presentation on Heidelberg University. Now we will create some more slides. To insert a new slide, you need to press the right cursor and then click on New Slide. Then this automatically creates this slide here where you can add a title. So now we will type in Overview. As you can see, the title already appears in a bigger font size, which is quite handy for your heading. Then, which headings do we want to have for our next slides? We want to have a slide on the facts and figures. So let's type in first, facts and figures. And then next, second, history. Third, locations, and so on. Now here, we don't even have to write the numbers. They appear automatically. But if the program doesn't do that, you could also, let's insert a new text box. You already know how to do that, right? And you could also, instead of typing in 1, 2, 3, etc., click on this numbering feature here, which would also do the job. Facts and figures, history, and so on. So, this is the slide that shows us the structure of our presentation. Let's insert a new slide, which is then our first information slide with the heading First, Facts and Figures. Again here, there's already a bullet point here, but you could also insert it by clicking on this one here, bullets. So which facts and figures do we have about Heidelberg University? There are 12 faculties. There are 12 faculties. President is Bernhard Eitel. The university was founded in 1386. There are 29,202 students, of which 5,402 are foreign students. And the expenses are 291.1 euros. And the motto is Semper Apparatus. This Semper Apparatus is a Latin phrase, and because it is from a different language, we might want to have it in italics so that we can see a difference between this language and our other language. Because there's already quite a lot of text on this slide, it would be helpful for the audience to have a visual support. Therefore, we are going to insert a picture because there's room for a picture here. So we'll click on Insert here at the top. Insert Picture. Here is our folder with the pictures for this presentation. We will just have one of the university. And we can move it here where we want to have it. Okay, that's good. You can just click on it and move it to the position where you want it to be. And because we inserted a picture that we didn't take ourselves, we need to include the source. So we found it on the internet. Here it is from Wikimedia. And here it says who the author is and how we should credit him. So select it, copy it, and insert a text box. Again, to insert the link, click on the right cursor and click here on paste the text. And then we can move the text box again so that it's just below the picture. And because the audience doesn't really want to read who took the picture, we are going to have the font size smaller. So select the text and choose a smaller font size, maybe 10. As actually it's really important that you include the source, because you're not the one who took the picture, but you should credit the photographer. And by including the source, you're saying, okay, I know this is not my picture, but he's the one who took it. Okay, in video 6, Nikolai will continue to show you how to create the next slides, so the slides on history and the locations. Bye-bye.